C4 here at Unique Classic Cars, and a convertible to boot. 1987 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. The convertible returned. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, listen to this, 14,994 on the odometers all right now. 5.7 liter TPI engine, so tuned, port injected, 350. Automatic with overdrive, optional transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted to 134A, blows cold. You can see the front fascia nose cone. Very nice shape. Paint coat of 81, bright red. White vinyl top, optional red leather interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area behind the seat. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct, turbine wheels. I believe these were considered. And also, they're facing the right direction. And you can see this paint has a nice shine to it. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a little spot where it's been touched up. I'll show you in the front when we get back around the side of it. Nothing major. This paint shows well. It's one of those cars, get in, turn the key, go have some fun. There it is, that optional red leather interior center console. There's also a window sticker that will go along with this. And that is laminated, so you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures if you want to know exactly how this car is equipped. It also comes with a 3-ring binder that is quite full of miscellaneous information, receipts, etc. on this car. Owner's manual. As you can see on the rear, dual exhaust. Paint also has a nice shine to it in the back. The finish on this car is incredible for an 87. It's also going to come with an extra set of floor mats and a little placard if you want to do any sort of showing of this car, taking it to your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Like I said, window sticker will be in there. This one does have dual power seats, engine oil cooler, the Delco Bose system, cruise control, and I did mention that leather interior. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the front and 80% in the rear. Tires are date coded 2023, so they're ready to roll. If you like these C4s, you like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Kind of mentioned little spot, or a couple, like on the headlight here that you can see where there's a few little touch-ups. That right there, again, I'm being pretty fussy. They're very small. One little spot where it's missing a little bit of clear right there. But again, majority of the finish in this car, absolutely beautiful. All right, let's take a little closer look. This interior, of course, we got that 80s throwback dashboard with electronics. Door panel looking good. Seats are beautiful. Leather seats. Not showing much wear at all. Of course, the power seat controls on the center console. I'll show you how the manual top goes up and down. Simple, one person can do it and shoot less than a minute. All right. There you should be able to see the exact miles, 14,994 miles per hour over here. Tachometer on the other side, see that is working. Instant economy, so that's going to be 0 volts. Oil pressure, trip. Then of course you can change that to oil temp. It's just going to say low because that was a cold start. You can go this to coolant temp. 145, 146, that'll keep climbing up. Tell you your range as far as fuel that's left, and then you could go to average economy. Now that will climb up a lot. These things will get good gas mileage. Get it out on the highway. All of those working. How about stereo? Again, AM, FM, cassette, Delco, Bose. Whoops, pushed it on. Stereo also working. AC controls down here. AC is blowing cold, remember? Mentioned dual power seats earlier. Dash all looks good. Something else I do want to mention, steering column in this one, nice and firm. How about those headlights? And headlights functioning as they should. Let's take a listen. Sounds like a stock C4 from '87. Sounds good. Let's see if I got that hood to latch or unlatch, I should say. All right. Under hood lights working. Look how clean this is. There it is. Again, tuned port injection, 5.7 liter. Reliable engine. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted. 134A. Looking for a Vette you can get in, turn the key, and drive it. Here you go. Local roll-ins, cruise-in, shows. No surprises there. All right, let me go ahead and pause this. I'm gonna get the tripod set up. I'm gonna show you how this convertible top flips up and latches, comes out of the storage compartment. We'll check out the condition of that. I'll show you it going back down into the storage compartment. And then of course, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top up. So white vinyl top, also rolled up the side glass so you can see how nicely that fits. And yes, this thing's in the condition you'd expect with the miles and condition of the rest of the car. No rips, tears, or holes. One little tiny wear spot down here along the edge that's being awful fussy. Rear window nice and clear. Nice fit along the body. One little tiny wear spot over here also. Nothing that is going to affect the performance of this top. If you needed to keep you out of the sun or dry, it's going to do its purpose just fine. Nice tight fit. Really no discoloration. Major rips, tears, and holes. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass on the passenger side. Also a nice fit. It's a beauty, folks. I'll show you that getting folded back down into the storage compartment. Jason's going to drive this car as usual, very end of the video, so stick around. It's a 1987 C4 convertible. Remember, 14,994 original miles is all clean Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1987 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top down today on this beautiful sunny day in Minnesota. This is an automatic on the center console. The AC's blowing cold. Very nice throttle response on this Corvette. Better than you'd even expect. Accelerates very nicely. The oil pressure showing 60 psi. The volts are 13.8. Our speedometer and tachometer are working. Those beautiful digital gauges from 1987. Stereo also working.
You know how to throw down at work.
I have not tested cassette, but we do have FM sounding good. Those switchable gauges, you can switch from oil pressure to oil temperature, from volts to coolant. The coolant temperature 175 currently. Also, there's a couple other options. Very cool feature. Red leather seats, red and black interior, looking great against that red exterior. This car feels like a low mile car. It brakes very nicely, steers nice and tight. Throttle response is quick. Corner's nice and flat. Gotta watch out for the people cutting you off, but acceleration is good and brakes are good. Sounds good, sounds fairly stock. A very nice running, fun to drive Corvette from 1987. Take a look at all the pictures over at UniqueClassicCars.com.